Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and Darren went to Walmart the other day to pick up milk for lunch. And I usually go with him, but I didn't. And he called me and said, the Rainbow High handbags and shoes are $1 now. How many do you want? And I said, I don't, maybe you didn't say how many do you want. You just said, do you want some? So he comes home with 2 full cases, and of course the case has all of this. Now here's this little pink purse that you can't really see, but I hope I get it and the purple one like Ayla Avar did in her openings. She also got a bunch of these. I think she got a case also. Ayla is queen of the blind bag, box, and ball. What are those eggs she gets, Darren?
Kinder?
Kinder eggs, yeah. She's always opening those up and making us all want them. So he got these, and we went back this morning. That was yesterday. We went back this morning. I am filming on April 11th, just in case you're going to see if your Walmart has these for $1. We went back and just got them all. And there's one more full case. And I am thrilled. But that's not all we got. Let me set this out of the way and show you. Better open this one on camera. It insists to be opened on camera. We'll do that in a minute. Let me move these two also. There we go. Also this morning at Walmart, I had looked at this Barbie before to rebody her like everybody's doing with these beautiful faces on these dolls. I absolutely love this pink-haired girl. And I've been thinking, oh, I should do that. Well, we had gone last week and I had seen her. She was $7 and I gave her a ride in the cart, you know, drove around the store with her. And at the last minute I said, you know, I'm not going to get her. She was $3 today, so she found her way to my cart. Darren's going to put in some hot peppers. And this girl, I like this hair. It's, it's a nylon cord. And I don't, well, I might. I don't think I have a rainbow high like this one with that kind of hair, I mean. And so I got her for $7. They had others. I did not buy them because I am waiting for a Smart Doll to hit the website that I'm waiting on. And I'm going to a doll show this very, very soon. And I hate to spend all my money at Walmart and then I get to the doll show or the Culture Japan drops the Smart Doll I want. Okay, you always get these little bags to put your shoes or handbags in. Oh, this is cute. That is a cute little beach or tote bag for shopping. And look at this little keychain with a dollar sign. How cute is that? That is so fun. I really like those. Like I said, Ayla is so fun to watch and she makes us all want them. Okay, let's open my AliExpress haul that has been sitting here waiting. Those are very large. Smart doll size, huh? And then these are, oh good. I use these for skirts and shoes, for the Blythe and the pull-ups and the Barbies. And I am right now packing, oh gosh, how many do we decide? About 500 for pull-up and BlytheCon for the goodie bags. And this one's folded over, so that's a good size too. But I needed Smart Doll size, although those look too big, but we'll see. And then we have this. I don't know what it is. Do you, Dan? This looks like it's,
Oh, I do know what that is, I think.
is it, oh yeah, I know what it is now. It's eBay. Okay. Darren and I are hoping to ride Route 66. And he bought us each a ride on our bicycles, a bicycle jersey, and these are, you know, you don't sweat so bad in them, and they have these little pockets in the back for your phone and your snacks and what have you. And he bought us each, already got us a jersey. So we're taking Katie with us, and Darren says, you know, you should make her a little dog coat, you know, like a little dog vest out of one of these. So he bought a bike jersey for Katie to do the Route 66. This is also AliExpress.
I couldn't help myself. It was they offered it to me for $6 on
Oh, there
that
you
jersey.
go. Well, we were talking about before then,
Yeah.
so you got a really good deal. Oh, I know what this is. These are something, they've raised the price, probably because I kept buying them as soon as they put them up. These are really cute for Smart Dolls. I've shown these on my channel before. If you haven't seen it, go watch my videos. These are the cutest little shirts. They're very lightweight. They're just cute, cute, cute for spring, summer, fall, or spring, summer. Velcro all the way down the back. I like that. The jeans are okay. They're a little short, and you do have to take the seam out to fix it, to roll them down. You can't just roll them down. Ayla Avar suggested also, if they're not long enough at that point, add lace, which of course we have all done at one time or another, but it is good.
Or make cutoffs on them.
Yeah, there you go. It's good to be reminded. And then this one is the black and white, and this can be worn all year. I really like these. These are really nice gifts. Like if you're at a doll show and you're handing something out to people that subscribe to your channel like I do, these are perfect for that. Although, like I said, I was buying them left and right. The minute he put them up, I was buying all that he had. He only put out like, or they, I don't know if it's a woman or a man, only put out like 3 at a time, and now they have raised the price. So I'm going to be really careful. I don't know what's in here. Thank you. I'm not sure this is AliExpress. Oh, I want to be careful, but I'm going to take a chance. Okay, let's see if I can tear from here. Yep, looks like. Oh, this is from eBay. This is a magnetic closure. Watch. Oh, I like that. Oh, too far. For my Smart Doll. I got this on eBay. It said make an offer, so I did. And I'll probably go back and get another one. I really like the beads in that. Really pretty. I want to be careful I don't lose that. And then, did we open this one? We did. Okay. So, moving on. Let's see what else we did get. I have a doll here to open, too, that's been waiting. Oh, yeah. These are more of those shirts. Like I said, I bought every one till he raised the price. I mean, he like doubled the price, so, well, less than that. But some came with a little pleated skirt, real cute. Most came with jeans. Really like those. Plus, I want them for my own dolls, of which seems to be growing. I am waiting for Culture Japan to drop a doll I'm waiting for, and I'm going to hopefully buy her. This is just a replacement doll, but I like to open on camera. I love these Blythes, and they are inexpensive enough to do a little face-up. I only do very light face-ups. Oh, that's pretty nice hair. That's thicker again. Not as thick as it was, but not thin. Well, where is the cord? Oh, here it is. Here it is. Oh, here it is. There we go. I do light face-ups on these dolls. I usually make them close. Darren makes the 3D stands and shoes, and we make a little gift out of it. Yeah, eyes work. Well, that was a little hiccup. No, the blue kind of hiccuped. See it? But, I mean, it's fine. Last year at BlytheCon, I gave each one of my subscribers a custom Blythe with a big packet. That is my haul. I am thrilled with the shoes and the purses and all of it. And like I said, I really like this doll. I liked her when she came out, so I'm real tickled to have her. And Barbie's going to get a new body. I don't know when, but she's going to get one. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.